Can you
Yes.
can you remember what we did? Try to share your screen. Let's see what you can do.
Okay.
Okay, I want to show you a video. But before I show you the video, I need you to practice some things. All right. Can you remember some of the arithmetic operators? Can you? Sit up, boy.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Switch on your Python command line interface. Okay. Do some practice with the. Why did you make that thing small? Okay. Do some practice. Please, can you make it? It's too small. I can barely see it.
How do I make it bigger?
It was. It's bigger right now. I want it smaller. You're trying to use. Okay. That's too big, boy. Now you. Can you give me examples of each of the operators right now? Try to solve some equation with the operators and we'll move to the next class.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
Addition,
Yeah.
subtraction,
Mm-hmm.
division,
Yeah.
multiplication,
Okay.
floor division,
Okay.
uh,
All right. So
modulo, and
compound
exponential.
interface. Yeah, try that. Each of them. Then we'll move to the next one. We are seriously lacking behind. So we gotta move at the speed of light today. All right?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm giving you. Why this thing was not as big as I was not as small as this. Yeah. Can you try? Better now. That's too much.
But now it's
Yes, better
smaller.
now.
It's small on my screen.
Oh, really? It's bigger on my screen.
I have to shrink it.
Oh, okay.
Wait, when I shrink it and stretching.
Okay, okay. Okay, be done. Be done. Okay, continue. That's okay. Continue. What happened? Syntax error. Okay. Have we talked about bugs?
Yeah, bugs, yes.
Okay, good. We've talked about algorithm, right?
Hmm?
We've talked about algorithm.
Algorithm.
Yes.
Uh,
Doing writing systems stepwise.
yes.
Okay. So I paste your classwork in the chat section. When you're done with that, answer number 2. It's just to refresh your memory because you missed the last class. Are you done?
Aleph.
After use.
Mihal.
Mihal. So when you do it, tell Mihal, okay?
Mm-hmm. I finished.
Error. Fix it. Do it again. There's a problem. Can't
I
tell me
don't know.
you forgot. Try to find out what is missing. Try it again. You weren't practicing. You forgot something. Nope. Check it out. You forgot your print statement. Nope. It keep giving you bugs. I wanted to think I remember. You really forgotten the
Comma.
see that? You've forgotten this. Your chat. Did you see that?
Yes.
Now, do more print statements again. Do print
Like what?
statement about your school. Tell me about your friends. Are you done? All right. Okay, let's get to class. I just wanted to give you or do something right now. And okay. So today I want to talk about, we've done a little bit about it before, but I want to give you a note on that. Are you typing your notes? Are you writing? Are you typing the notes? Aleph,
Yes.
what are you doing?
I was writing the notes.
You're typing it?
I'm writing it on paper.
Are you done?
Almost. I'm finished.
Yeah, don't let me know. I'm rubbing off the board. Because I'm gonna practice this. What we're talking about is interactive versus script mode. Now,
Okay.
the mode you are using for your Python is called the interactive mode. You enter your line of code expression, you have the result the next line. All right. So if you are going to write out a lot of code or creating a lot of code, it doesn't make sense to use interactive. Makes the work very clumsy. So we use strict mode. So in that strict mode, it gives you room to write all your codes before you run it. All right. So and that's so in that one you can save your page. Okay. I want to rub the board.
Okay.
Now interactive mode. You will show me your note at the end of the class.
Okay.
Are you done writing?
No.
Let me know when you're done. We've had of done this before, so I'm trying to give a note to avoid you forgetting. Okay? Yeah, so I need you to read your notes and practice. Practice makes permanent. You learn to practice. The more you practice, the more you know. I'm going to show you a video shortly when we are done. Then I'll give you assignment to watch some videos. Then we'll meet in the next class. And that's on Sunday. Are you done?
Okay. Yes. I finished.
I want to show you a video how this works. Right? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. And note what he's asking you to do in the video. Okay.
Okay.
For yourself the installation instructions in this book by Mrs. Adrian Teke. And then before you continue watching further videos on NP Station. And I right at this point I assume you have all installed Python and got to know how to open up the idle shell command. And have you said hi to Python yet? If not, go ahead and open your idle window and type in print, open parentheses, open quotation, hi Python. And then you close the quotation and close the parentheses. And go ahead and click enter. It's as simple as that. In today's video, I'll be taking a step further with the basic programming concepts. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to save your Python files. And also, there's so many other very useful shortcuts that can help us so much in our lives when we are coding. So I'm definitely going to share some useful tips with you guys in today's video. So just stay tuned. I'm sure it'll be a wonderful and very exciting journey into the world of Python programming. As we go further into writing lengthy programs, it will be necessary for us to save our work. So let's see how we can create a Python file and save it from idle. First step is to open idle. So go ahead and click on the Cortana and type in idle, IDLE, and now click on the highlighted tab. And now we have opened idle. So now in the menu bar, which has all the options like file and edit shell, just go ahead and click on the file tab. And now you see a list of options and click on new file. Well, in the next window that pops up, type your code to say hi Python as we did earlier. Print hi Python. Now click on file again, but instead of the new file, click on the save option. And in the next window, it will ask you to name your file. So go ahead and give it a name. I'm going to go ahead and call mine greeting. And you can name yours whatever you want, and make sure to save your file in a meaningful place on your computer. I have a separate folder for saving all my Python work, and it should be something you'll easily remember. So I'm going to go ahead and save it in my file, Python. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. And if you don't choose a folder of your choice, all new files are usually saved in the same folder where Python was installed. And that's it. You've saved your first Python file. How about we...
Ali, do you understand that?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Okay.
Can you work as she's talking? All right. I'm gonna send you the link, but I wanted to watch what you just written down right now.
Go ahead and run our saved Python file. Go ahead and choose the Run option in the menu bar and click on the Run module. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is F5. And now that you can see the code you wrote in the file is executed in the idle shell window. Saving files and saving the code you have written is something you'll be doing very
I
often
can't
in
open the
programming
file.
as you advance in this video series. We use it so much.
I'm sorry.
I don't see like the thing on
Just
top.
keep watching.
I can't do it.
Okay, just keep watching.
Okay.
Okay, keep watching.
As a programming community thought it would be much easier to provide shortcuts to make us work even faster. Let me go over a list of very helpful keyboard shortcuts to use while coding. The first one is Control S key. This is a standard save shortcut. You can press these two keys together to save your program as you continue coding. So let's add some more lines of code to our existing file and then press these two keys together. How about print, my name is Neha. And now, just go ahead and press these two keys together. Control S, and that's it. Your new changes are saved to the same file. In my case, it is the greeting.py file. The next one is Control N key. This shortcut will create a new file for you. So let's see what happens when you press both these keys together. Well, as you can see, we have opened a new file and ready to start typing our code. The next one is Control C key. This shortcut allows you to copy any highlighted text, and I'm sure many of you are very familiar with this one. And the other one you need to know is the Control V key. After copying some text, you can use this shortcut to paste it. Let us try to copy and paste some text in our Python file. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my previous line and go ahead and click on the Control C key. And now go to the next line and click the two pasted one Control Z key. I think this is the most useful command, which will allow you to perform an undo action. If you need to go back to a previous version of your file, you can go
What happened? Hello?
action. First, I'm going to go ahead and type in some random text in my Python file, which I already have open. As you can see, I have very random text
Yes.
in here. And let us...
I'm here. Are you good, Aleph?
Yes.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Aleph,
Yes.
do you understand what you're saying? Do you understand it?
I do understand it.
Z key and see how it behaves. Control Z, Control Z. As you see, it is deleting the text one by one I have already written. Isn't that amazing? Well, let's try to check out some more useful shortcuts. Step number 1, click on the Cortana search and type in CMD to go to the command prompt. Step number 2, once you see this window pop up, you can see that it has defaulted to C drive /user/administrator on my PC. That is because I'm logged in as the administrator. For you, it might be your personal name. Step number 3, if you would like to go to the C drive, just type in cd/ and enter. So now we're at the C drive. And step number 4, if you want to go to a particular folder, you can type in cd space folder name. Like if I wanted to go to my NP Station folder, I would type cd space NP Station and click enter. Now I've gone to my NP Station folder. Well, step number 5, if I wanted to see all the files and folders inside an NP Station, I would type dir and hit enter. Now you can see all the folders that are in NP Station. And what if you guys wanted to use or wanted to repeat a command you already typed in before? Just use the up and down arrow keys until you get to what you're looking for. Let us see. Let's go ahead and click up, and now we see that my previous thing that I typed was dir. Up again, it was cd NP Station. Up again, cd drive. And I can keep on pressing this button and just go to the previous things I've typed. Well, how about we just go back to our C drive NP Station, and let us type in dir. Well, as you can see, there are many folders inside here. What's an easy way to go to a particular folder without having to type the folder name? Well, now you would use CD and tab. Keep pressing the tab button until you see the folder you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and go to Coding for Kids, Python, and click enter. Well, what if I wanted to create a new folder inside C drive / NP Station? You would type MD, which stands for make directory, and then give the folder name. I'm going to go ahead and give the folder name as test. Step number 9, if I wanted to remove the folder I just created, I would use RD, which stands for remove directory, and your folder name. RD test, and now click enter. Well, if we type in cd test again and click enter, it will say the system cannot find that specific folder. So that means you've actually deleted your file. And step number 10, now let us exit this command prompt, and let's go to the Windows File Explorer. And on the left side, you can see a quick access section. Let me tell you that this is such a useful shortcut. Suppose you have a folder which you frequently access. For me, it's my NP Station folder. I have all my files saved in there. So instead of navigating to my file every time, I can drag and drop it onto the quick access section to pin it there. So let's try to pin any other folder. How about my Summer Reading 2019 folder? I'm going to go ahead and click on that and drag and drop it. And now I'll see actually this thing pops up and it says pin to quick access, and go ahead and leave your mouse. And there you go. You've pinned a folder to the quick access section. Now there might be some programs that you use frequently, like the Python idle or Microsoft Word. You can pin programs to your taskbar on the bottom of the screen, or you can pin programs to the start menu. Let us see how they work. Well, first let's go ahead and type in idle, and now click on and right click on idle. And now a bunch of options start and pop up, and now you can just go ahead and click on the pin to taskbar. And now you've actually pinned idle to taskbar, as you can see in the bottom of the screen. Well, these were some very useful shortcuts that I really wanted to share with all you. And I hope you found these very interesting and useful. And I definitely use these shortcuts every time I sit down on my computer to learn Python. Even though we didn't go much further into the Python tutorial today, I definitely wanted to share these useful tips with you guys that will help us so much in our upcoming video sessions. This wraps up our second video tutorial in Coding for Kids in Python. I will be back soon with the third video where we will learn more concepts in Python. Until then, keep coding.
So Ali, what can you say about the video? Alif,
What can I say about it? What do you mean?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
So what can you say about the video?
I don't get what you mean.
I can't hear you.
I don't get what you mean.
I said, what can you say about the video?
What do you mean? Like what did I learn? What do you mean? That the video taught.
So what can you say about the video? Can you write down some few things?
Okay. To save a file is Control S.
Aleph,
To save a file is Control S. Hello?
okay, what again?
To save a file is Control S.
Yes, I'm
Did you
listening.
hear what I said?
No, I did not.
To save a file is Control S. Did you hear what I said?
So what other thing do you learn from the video?
I also learned that to you is to save. You save a file, then you name it, and then you should make a section where you put all your files, and then CD, then your file name is to open your file and then no, MD is to do that, and then CD is to delete the file.
Okay, fair try. Okay, so now I think we have also done this. Let me share my screen. So you were told if you want to create a new file, you come to your file, click on new. Did you see that?
Yes.
So you can do a lot of things. You can change the name of your So do you understand that? So
Mhm.
you can how to save a script. You know how to save a script. You save any Python script with .py. All right. So that's how to save a script. Okay. So this is your Python interface. You want to create a new file, you come here, you go to a new file. It will open a plain bracket for you. That is the bracket that you enter all your application. Then Let me do that. Then if you want to run it, you come here, you click on check model, or sorry, run model. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Aleph. So run model, it will run the code you wrote there. Because we are making an application, and we're just writing a few codes, you can use the interactive command line interface, right?
Right.
So that's what we are going to do. So right now, I'm going to ask you to do something. Okay? I'm going to ask you, I'm going to send you to the video so you can watch and practice what is in the video. I'm sending to the chat box. Immediately you will open it on your system. All right? So that you can have it there. I don't want to send it to mommy. It will take our time to get to you. All right? So
Need to run Windows on your Mac? Parallels Desktop makes it simple.
One line in your idle. What
this
other
is
one?
the second one. The second one, that's 3. So whatever you watch in the video, I want you to practice it. But we'll get back to class on Sunday. We are going to have a little test. All right?
Okay.
Are you excited about it? Any question?
No.
Hold on a second. Okay. So in coming to class, please watch the video, practice, then study your notes. You'll come on next class, you practice more, and you have a